How to set up hot corners shortcut on your MacBook. So simply open your Mac and open Settings. Next step is to click Desktop and Dock and scroll down to the bottom, and here you will find Hot Corners option. So simply open it, and here is the place where you can set up your hot corners. So for example, in right upper corner area, I got the desktop option. If I place my mouse cursor to the upper corner, it will automatically go to desktop. If I do it one more time, it will go back. You can simply set up each corner. In right down corner area are quick notes by default. So if you place your mouse cursor to the right down corner area, it will open you quick notes. If I want to set up left upper corner area, click here and choose the shortcut which you want. So for example, lock screen or launchpad. Finish the process clicking on done. And if I place my mouse cursor to the left upper corner area, it will open the selected shortcut. For me, it's the launchpad. Do it one more time and it will close it. So this was how to set up hot corners on your MacBook. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.